Did you know that the DJI Mini 4 Pro is under 249 G's and doesn't require registration? Let's dive into 5 things you didn't know about this amazing drone. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. This drone packs a punch with features designed for both beginners and seasoned pilots alike. With a weight of under 249 grams, this drone allows for a hassle-free flying experience. No registration required. This is perfect for those who want to travel light and avoid tedious paperwork. The DJI Mini 4 Pro can capture breathtaking 4K HDR videos in 60 FPS. Not only does it enhance your footage with clarity, but it also ensures seamless sharing without the need for extensive editing. This drone is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, significantly improving safety. Pilots can fly with confidence, knowing the drone is pervasively aware of its surroundings. The DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts 3 intelligent flight batteries, providing you with a total of up to 135 minutes of flight time. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and fly longer. Experience real-time 20 km FHD video transmission. Enjoy immersive aerial perspectives without lag, making your flying experience even more engaging. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is an excellent drone for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage with extended flight times and unique safety features. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this drone offers great value. If you're in the market for a new drone, it's worth considering, but be sure to evaluate how it fits your personal needs.